To get a new Phantom wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to understand what a Phantom wallet is. It is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other Solana-based tokens. To start, go to the Phantom website and click on the download button. Phantom Wallet is available as a browser extension for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, Microsoft Edge. Once you have clicked on the download button, you will be redirected to the browser's extension, where you can add the Phantom Wallet extension to your browser. After installing the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and to save your seed phrase in a safe space. The seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Once you have created your password and saved your seed phrase, your new Phantom Wallet will be set up and ready to use. You can now use Phantom Wallet to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and other Solana-based tokens. To fund your new Phantom Wallet, you will need to send Solana cryptocurrency to your wallet's address. You can find your address by clicking on the Receive tab in your Phantom Wallet. You can then copy and paste your wallet's address into the send field of the wallet or exchange you are sending from. It is also important to keep your Phantom Wallet and its seed phrase safe and secure. You should never share your seed phrase with anyone, and you should store it in a safe place where it cannot be accessed by unauthorized parties. By following these steps and best practices, you can get a new Phantom Wallet and start using it to store, send, and receive Solana cryptocurrency and others. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.